What are you drinking?
So I'm drinking matcha.
Can you show us?
One sec. Because it's like a very interesting process. You have to press the button twice, which is very important. So we have a new thing in the Netherlands. Because we live in the Netherlands, if you didn't know about this. Joking. So we have a new interesting espresso capsules with
Vanilla matcha.
vanilla matcha. It's very nice and it tastes super good. And if you are like me and you don't want to spend 10,000 hours and like make it homemade type shit, you can use this only if you have the espresso machine card.
What milk do you prefer?
Milk?
Oh, yeah?
I prefer oatly milk.
Okay.
Oat milk because I cannot drink normal milk. I want to throw up when I.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. It's too much. But yeah, this is my like routine, every morning routine. I forgot yesterday.
I already had my granola for breakfast with some buckwheat tea. So now Marina will have some matcha.
I'll show you buckwheat tea also because it's super lekker.
Yeah, I love this tea.
I brought this tea from Ukraine. This is the tea. It looks like birds, food type shit. And
very nutritious.
It looks
with a lot of vitamins.
Weird. It doesn't look like normal tea, but it has a lot of vitamins indeed.
No caffeine.
A, B, E, P, P, and stuff. But it's extremely nice. And it tastes like cookie.
Like ginger cookie.
Ginger cookie. It's very good. Also, I read for the people that are trying to stop eating sugar, to drink something like this. Because it helps with their cravings. Now we have to take care of this lady. And she doesn't want to go outside. By the way, yesterday we forgot her outside. I mean, I forgot her outside. And I opened the door and went upstairs to check if she's there. And she came inside and she started screaming like, and I was like, honey,
it's okay. Mama's here.
And Mama was like, bring the towel. She's back. And she's completely wet.
It was raining.
Yeah, it was raining a lot. So over here.
The other way.
Let's go.
So I decided that we have to go to Pumpkin Field. 30 minutes away from the city. It's raining really bad. But here we are for the autumnal vibe and for the aesthetics.
It's like a day off. So excited to be like in the nature station.
She's glowing. Glowing. Oh. No, because we are literally in the middle of nowhere. But it's cute. It's like really nicely out here. Countryside. Look at this. So cool. Really a lot of different, like this one is 150, which is such a good price. So also like white ones. I'll take a white one and a black one for my home decoration.
I'm shocked. It's like so unique.
So let's walk inside. So I really wonder what's inside. Oh, they even have a retro scale. So cool. Look at this barn. Oh my god. So cute. So they have like baskets for 20 euros. Look at this vibe. Oh my god. So Halloween-ish.
Spooky vibes.
Spooky vibe. Marina will be cooking.
I will cook some soup.
We'll have pumpkin soup.
Today.
I took just one little one so I can grab it to Amsterdam. Because
But I didn't really get which one is.
I think she said that this one is like the most popular one
Yeah.
for soup and baking.
Yeah.
If you want something more sweet, you can get a grey one.
Which one is green?
The grey one. Like those grey ones.
I will take one gray one also.
We're gonna go out in the city center. I will film it today. I didn't film anything yesterday except for the pumpkin patch, but I'll do it today and I'll see you later. Tell us what you're wearing.
Today I am wearing very special outfit. This thing is from Scotch and Soda. It's a Dutch brand. And this is Vans. Then we have a little situation over here. I have no clue. It's really my station. These pants are my favorite pants. Just want to show you guys. It's something called couture type shit. I found it in a very nice store. It's like an outlet store. I always go there because they always have something special. And these shoes, I'm being something super comfortable because take a look. I don't have to do anything over here.
Oh, it's like elastic.
Elastic, and it's so comfortable.
Can we see the other side with the American flag?
It's not an American flag with
But
and yeah, you know, just sunshine and just some like little trees. I'm engaged. Okay. This and that. So yeah, thanks for asking me.
can you show what's the rest?
Something like this.
Super nice. And oat milk cappuccino and filter coffee for me. going into Forum. It's like a cultural center of Groningen. Really nice. Just gonna show you around and we'll go further.
This is like the biggest museum in our city.
Wir holen uns einen Keks und kochen Frau Plan C.
For you guys. Joke. It's not real.
It's a really cool place where you can like study. They have a library, also a cinema, a restaurant, a rooftop, and some like temporary exhibitions as well, which is really nice.
It's like the favorite activity you can have in the Netherlands. Joke.
Nice.
It's super nice. Охуенный cheese.
So much cheese here, guys.